Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya. So today is the Kartika Masa Bahulapaksha Trayodasi Pradosham on Adivara on a Sunday. It's a great day which is followed by Somavara and Masa Sivaratri of Kartika Masa. Eventually, this day, the December the 10th, happens to be my Gregorian calendar birthday. So on that occasion, my attempt today is to explain what is the importance of birth, respecting the birthday or the celebration, how to celebrate or what is there to celebrate in the birth of as a human being. Taking few slokas from Sriman Narayaniyam, authored by Narayana Bhattatiri in Guruvayupuram. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Guruvayupuradhisham Vishnum Narayanam Harim Vasudevam Jagannatham Krishnam Vande Jagadguru. So Jagadguru Krishna. Lot of questions people have. So what is birth? As per Sanatana Dharma, birth is not. Definitely what is not birth? Birth is not a bondage or cleansing oneself from the sins. Yes, there are sins will be there, but birth is combination of bringing together two types of punya, merits. Historically, father, forefather, great-grandfather, all those people have been doing a lot of meritorious actions. Historically, this jiva going through various lives, some merit it will accrue. So, a birth is bringing these two merits together, punya together. Along with that, there will be some papa also will be there, which gives unpleasant experiences through the life. But that is not the primary thing. Specifically, when it comes to the human form of the body, it has an exceptional capability to make use of the intellect, human excellence, to reach and identify true nature of the God, or true nature of the self, or true nature of reality, or realizing the truth, however way we want to put. That is the perfect final thing. So, Sri Narayana Bhattatiri in Sriman Narayanayam, when he starts the first sloka, he says, Sandranandavabodhatmakam Anupamitam Kala Desavadibhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamasata Sahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drushtamatre Punarurup Purusharthatmakam Brahmatattvam Tattavadbhati Sakshat Gurupavanapure Antabhagyam Jananam. Sandra Ananda Avabodhatmakam. That which Satchidananda, Sandra, very dense Ananda. Ananda not sparse, dense Ananda. Sandrananda Avabodhatmakam Anupamitam. So, cannot be compared with anything. No comparison. Upamanam. There is no Upamanam. Kala Desha Avadhibhyam. The time avadhi, time temporal limitations. Desha avadhi. I am sitting here in this chair. I am limited by this chair's place. But God is not like. Nirmuktam. Avadhibhyam nirmuktam. One who is freed from such distinctions are the limitations. Nitya Muktam, ever free. It is not that now he has taken some shape, so he is born. No, Nitya Muktam, always, whether he is visible in a form, not visible in a form. Negama Sata Sahasrena Nirbhasyamanam. Hundreds and thousands of Nigamas are the Shastras. They try to explain, they try to show the nature of God or the self or the truth, but aspashtam drushtamatre. So it will not be clear, because punaruru purusharthatmakam brahmatattvam. So the Supreme Lord becomes Ishvara, one who gives the purusharthas. Tatbhavati sakshat guru pavanapure. So that brahmatattvam only, that nirguna parabrahma alone, tatbhati, he tavat tatbhati, he appears as Krishna. Guru pavanapure hanta bhagyam jananam. So for the people, it is easily available to people, for the janas. So when we have reviewed this birth thing, so why birth is important? To identify this true nature of the self. And in human birth, human form of birth, that is very much possible. And if this birth itself is not there, so the same first Dasakam, 7th sloka, again in Narayaniyam, in the Bhakti Marga only, Krishna te srishti chesta bahudara bhava khedavaha jivabhajam ityevam purvamalochitam ajita. So his poet is telling, I used to think by creating this creation, you are by srishti chesta, all these jivas are getting attached to this srishti. They are getting attached, they are getting into the bandha, and it is creating a lot of trouble to them. Maya naiva matyabhijane. So I thought like that, but that is so faulty thinking. Why? Nochet jiva katham, if the birth is not there, nochet jiva katham, if jiva consciousness is not there, either it will be completely jadam. Madhurataramidam tvadvapus chidrasartham netrai srotraischa pitva paramarasa sudhambodhipure rameran. So how an individual, at least misidentified individual, if this jiva, if this through this eyes, netre, through the eyes, srotre, through the ears, whatever cannot be seen can be understood through ears. So ears have highest knowledge, sabda pramana is. So if birth is not there, noche jiva katham, if jivatvam itself is not there, everything will be jadam. So chidrasartham, that chitrasa ardhram, that the ardhrata of the chidrasa, the actual nature of that chidrasam, madhuradaramidam tvadvapus chidrasastham. So the true nature is madhurataram, greatly blissful. Madhurataram, madhurataram. Madhura is Krishna's patana also. Tadvapus chidrasathram netrai with eyes, srotraischa with ears, pitva having drunk, parama rasa sudhambodhipure, parama rasa sudha ambodhipure, paramarasam highest essence, paramarasa, sudha, that is the sudha is the nectar, ambodhipure. So people go into that highest nectarine state is not possible. So birth is very, 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 very important. That too, being born in a human form, that is very important. Then in the second Dasakam, 8th sloka, again Narayana Bhattari gives, this is in the first skandha. Nishkamam niyata swadharmacharanam yat karma yogabhidham తద్దూరేత్యఫలం యదౌపనిషద జ్ఞానోపలభ్యం పునః తత్వవ్యక్తతయా సుదుర్గమతరం చిత్తస్య తస్మాద్విభో త్వత్ప్రేమాత్మకభక్తిరేవ సతతం స్వాదీయసి శ్రేయసి. సో శ్రేయస్, every individual has to seek Shreyas. Shreyas is the highest good to the humanity, highest good to everything, highest good for all this universe is Shreyas. So how to reach there? Nishkamam niyata dharma charanam. Without desires, following the path of whatever is described, niyata swadharma charanam. Niyata swadharma charanam. Yat karma yoga abhidham. That is known as karma yoga. So duretya phalam. So anything other than karma yoga, it is, the phalam will not be there. Yada upanishad jnanopalabhyam. There is other way is upanishad jnana. So one who can go pursue the knowledge as the path of knowledge, purely knowledge path. Punaha tattva vyaktataya. So even to go there, that is a very long short path is there. That is a path. People can take that path also. Sudurgamataram chittasya tasmat vibho. So having that is Sudurgamataram, very complicated path, people can take that. Tat prematmaka bhaktireva. Having emotionally the love towards you and bhakti, satatam swadhiyasi shreyasi. That is easier, guaranteed, it is easier, swadhiyasi. So it is enjoyable path and also shreyaskara path. So to go by that path, again we need to have the body, mind and intellect. This whole thing need to be there. So bhakti swarupam vidhuya kleshan me kuru charanayugmam dhrutarasam bhavat kshetra praptau karamapi chate pujana vidhau bhavan murtyaloke nayanamadhate pada tulasi parigrane ghranam sravanamapate charucharite. So what is that vidhuya kleshan? By removing all these kleshas, doubts, different things, I approach your padakshetra. Bhavat kshetra praptau, may my feet take me to your padakshetra. Praptau karamapiche karamapicate pujana vidhau, hands perform the puja. Bhavan murtyaloke nayanamadhate. So by my eyes will get dhanyatvam by seeing your murti. Pada tulasi parigrane ghranam. The tulasi left at your pada, offered at your pada by smelling the parigranam. Sravanamapite charucharite. By listening to your stories, different stories, my ears be allow the dharma. So these are the kind of the directions given by the sages of past, saying that how to use this body. So the birth need to be celebrated because it is the punya phala of twofold history of a individual. So historically the parents, grandparents, great grandparents, 100 generations worth of punyam is there, and several hundreds of cycles of different jivatvas, various jivas. It can be a mosquito, elephant, human, deva, rakshasa, anything. But there will be an amount of punya invariably that is accrued. So you cannot be 100% papa. There will be some help, something. All that punya when put together, that results in a human form of life. So this human form of life need to be respected in these two ways. When you respect this birth, you respect whole of your Pitru Pitamaha Parampara. You respect your whole of your past punya. So using this punya, one should look for shreyas, well-being of the whole entirety, universe, well-being is to be looked at. How to achieve that? By performing swadharma, by moving on the shreyas path, removing the papas, being able to study the Upanishads or Jnana Marga, Bhakti Marga, Karma Marga, any of the margas suggested, studying the words of Lord. And the teachers, gurus, Guru Parampara. So basically the third parampara, the Pitrus and Jiva Parampara that has come, this will be purified by connecting with Guru Parampara. One Guru Parampara. Getting the right knowledge, following those instructions. All these are possible because of body, mind and intellect. So birth is very important to seek the shreyas for everyone. Don't, whatever is one's position is in this worldly nature. So the Krishna or the God, Supreme God, created this world not to put people into trouble, to remove, to uplift themselves out of all these limitations. That is the final goal of a human form of life, which is known as moksha. Moksha is possible through the human form of life. So everyone should respect this human form of life, uplift themselves, help others uplift themselves, and also look for universal well-being. So what one should do on a birthday is actually worship the God, worship forefathers, worship the Gurus and Guru Parampara, and seek blessings for living the full lifespan, because there are a lot of things that need to be done with this capability of human form, to look through the one's own nature and purify it, to reconcile that with the universal shreyas, nature of shreyas and the well-being of sarvatmatva mahavibhuti or the moksha. And to achieve that, lot of blessings, lot of the things are needed, lot of obstacles need to be crossed over. For providing, we need to have the full lifespan. So Aswathama, Bali, Vyasa, Hanumanscha, Vibhishanaha, Krupaha, Parasuramascha, Saptaitaya Chirajivinaha, thinking of the Chiranjeevis. Then Markandeya is the eighth, all the Chiranjeevis, and seeking the blessings to put yourself in the Swadharma Charana. However, Sreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha Paradharmat Swanishthitat. So basically, whatever lucrative other dharmas are seen, they are not useful, because whatever is prescribed duty for me, that duty only puts me back onto the path of Shreyas. So realizing that, getting onto the Karma Yoga, getting onto the Jnana Yoga or the Bhakti Yoga. So Prema Purvaka Bhakti Yoga, which my Guru Parampara has always advocated for the people as the basis, and Jnana as the final step leading to the ultimate realization. So Bhakti, Karma, Bhakti, Prema, a mixture of that Yoga Vedanta Paddhati. So everyone has to celebrate their birthday in respect to all the punya that is accrued from the past in every possible way, and making it useful to overcome any papa left over. So punya is always more powerful than papa. Swadharma is always more powerful than paradharma. So universal well-being, Sarvatmatnam, final truth realization is always better than any other achievement. So making oneself put onto that Shreyas path, may one and all achieve the highest peace, better living and final goal of the life. So for that, may everyone celebrate their birthdays And I take this opportunity to all those who have wished me on various channels, social media channels, that wished me well. I am taking that, all those wishes, submitting to the Supreme Lord, in the form of Krishna, Shiva, Rama, whatever name we can attribute. Every name is a sound form of the same Lord, same Supreme Lord. Every form, every name, there is a connection. There are 6 different forms that are Upasa Yogyas, that are given by the Sanatana Dharma. So, taking the right conceptions of Sanatana Dharma, may one and all progress on their paths towards their ultimate goal. Swasti.